I'm going to show you the way I drill very small holes in material. You see a lot of people give advice about this and say you have to use a precision spindle and very high spindle speeds, and that's completely untrue. I'm going to show you. I'm going to use a graver to start the hole off, and I'll just show you the graver before we start. And that's just consists of a piece of tool steel. It got a bit short to use as a lathe tool, so I just hammered it into a file handle. Ground it off at 45 degrees at the top. You need to dress it with an oil stone, get it really smooth and sharp. The way to tell if it's sharp enough, you just brush it across your fingernail, and if it scrapes a bit of your fingernail off, then that's about right. I do a lot of hand turning of metal using gravers. For example, this sort of shape, where to cut these compound curves would be, a little bit tricky using conventional tooling. In fact, that little groove there was done with a handheld parting tool, which gives you much more control, and it's a much more delicate process than turning with tools bolted to onto a cross slide. The graver is just used to pick up the centre instead of a centre drill. If you're using a very small drill, a centre drill is not practical. And after that, you'll see that the easiest way to drill the hole is to actually drill it by hand.